Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection, where we explore the fascinating world of rare and valuable coins. Today, we're diving into an incredible story about a seemingly ordinary 1 euro cent coin from Germany minted in 2014, which collectors believe could be worth an astonishing $5.5 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around as we uncover the mystery, history, and details that make this coin so valuable, and full details. Country: Germany. European Union. Euro. 2002. 2024 currency: Euro. Coin type: circulation. Coins denomination: 1 euro cent. Currency rate: 1 cent equals 0.01 US. Year: 2014. Composition: copper plated steel. Edge type: smooth shape, round alignment. Metal: 0 degrees. Weight: g. 2.3 diameter, 16.25 thickness, mm, 1.67. Before we get into the specifics of the 2014 coin, let's quickly talk about the euro cent coins. From Germany. Germany is known for its exceptional coin designs and high-quality minting standards. The 1 euro cent coin is the smallest denomination of the euro currency. But what sets the 2014 version apart from the others? Why is this coin turning heads among collectors? Let's dig deeper. Common features of German euro coins. Mints responsible for the 2014 batch: A, D, F, G, and J. Now, what if I told you this coin's value is tied to a fascinating error? The 1 euro cent coin from Germany 2014 is special because of minting irregularities. Rare coins often become valuable due to mistakes during production, such as misprints, double strikes, or irregular sizes. Error coins. Coins with minting errors are often worth more due to their rarity. 2014 error. In some cases, the 1 euro cent 2014 coin was struck with unique die errors. Collector demand. Rare coins like this are sought after by collectors, and demand raises the value. Now you might be wondering, why $5.5 million? While no public auction for this coin has reached that number, collectors speculate that a perfect condition coin with a confirmed error could fetch a sky-high price in an auction. Here's why. Explain factors that drive the value. Grading and condition. Coins in mint state MS70 condition fetch the highest value. Rarity. The smaller the error batch, the higher the demand. Auction fever. Collectors are willing to pay millions for unique finds. Mention real-life examples of other coins sold for millions, e.g. the 1933 Double Eagle. D. Oh, you have a 1 euro cent 2014 Germany coin lying around? It could be worth more than you think. But before you get too excited, here's how to check if your coin has value. Look for specific mint marks. A, D, F, G, or J. Check for errors under a magnifying glass. Double die, off-center strike, etc. Use professional grading services like NGC or PCGS to authenticate and grade your coin. The world of coin collecting is full of surprises, and who knows? You might have a hidden treasure in your collection. In today's video, we uncover the mysterious 2 euro cent coin from Germany, dated 2002, valued at an astonishing $15 million. Stay tuned till the end. You could have one lying in your drawer right now, and full details. Country: Germany. European Union. Euro. 2002. 2024 currency: euro. Coin type: circulation. Coins denomination: 2 euro cent. Currency rate: 2 cents equals 0.02 US. Year: 2002. Composition: copper plated steel. Edge type: smooth with a groove shape, round alignment. Metal: 0 degrees. Weight: g. 3.06 diameter, mm, 18.75 thickness, mm, 1.67. The 2 euro cent coin minted in 2002 Germany might seem ordinary at first glance, but it holds a secret. This rare treasure has become one of the most sought-after collectibles in the world. But what makes this coin worth a mind-blowing $15 million? To understand its value, let's dig into its history. Germany joined the Eurozone in 2002, and like many countries, it began minting its own euro coins. But a small batch of 2 euro cent coins was minted with an error that makes it priceless today. This coin's unique feature lies in a minting mistake. The $15 million coin has a missing national boundary on the map of Europe displayed on its reverse side. Instead of showing the correct design, it features an older map without borders. Such errors are extremely rare, making these coins invaluable to collectors. Imagine this: a tiny design difference worth millions. Coins with minting errors are like art. They gain tremendous value because of their rarity and historical significance. So why is this coin worth $15 million? The coin gained this jaw-dropping value during an auction where collectors competed fiercely for it. The demand for error coins, combined with the story behind this one, skyrocketed its price. This isn't just a coin, it's a piece of history, a symbol of human error, and a collector's dream. Now comes the big question. Do you have one of these coins? Let's find out. Here's how you can identify the $15 million 2 euro cent coin. Look for the date 2002. Carefully inspect the reverse side for missing boundaries. Coins minted in certain locations, like Munich or Berlin, are more likely to have this error. A person examining coins under a magnifying glass. Close-ups of mint marks and date stamps. If your coin matches these details, you could be sitting on a fortune. Let's hear from real people who struck gold. Well, copper in this case. Collectors have shared stories of finding rare coins in the most unexpected places. Old wallets, forgotten piggy banks, and even flea markets. And here's a pro tip. Always check your change. That coin in your hand might be your ticket to wealth. Even if you don't have this specific coin, starting a coin collection can be a rewarding hobby. Here's how you could begin. 1. Organize your coins by year and country. 2. Use proper storage to preserve their condition. 3. Join coin collecting communities to learn and trade. A coin album being organized. Online forums or marketplaces for coin trading. Interesting and valuable coins in the 5 euro cent coin, 5 cents, has a value of 1/20th of a euro and is composed of copper-covered steel. All euro coins have a common reverse and country-specific, national, obverse. The coin has been used since 2002 and was not redesigned in 2007, as was the case with the higher value coins. And full details: country Germany, European Union. Euro, 2002. 2024 currency euro coin type circulation coins denomination 5 euro cent currency rate 5 cents equals 0.05 USD year 2002 to 2024 composition copper plated steel edge type smooth shape round alignment metal 0 degrees. Weight G, 3.92 diameter, mm, 21.25 thickness, mm, 1.67. The coin dates from 2002, when euro coins and banknotes were introduced in the 12-member Eurozone and its related territories. The common side was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist who won a Europe-wide competition to design the new coins. The design of the 1 to 5 cent coins was intended to show the European Union's EU place in the world relative to Africa and Asia, while the 1 and 2 euro coins showed the 15 states as one and the 10 to 50 cent coins showed separate EU states. The design of the national sides, then 15, Eurozone plus Monaco, San Marino, and the Vatican, who could also mint their own coins, was the subject of national competitions, but was subject to some uniform specifications, such as the requirement to include 12 stars. See euro coins for more. National designs were not allowed to change until the end of 2008, unless a monarch, whose portrait usually appears on the coins, dies, or abdicates. This happened in Monaco and the Vatican City, resulting in 3 new designs in circulation. The Vatican had an interim design until the new pope was elected. National designs have seen some changes as new rules required that national designs should include the name of the issuing country. Neither Finland and Belgium had shown their name, and so made minor changes that as the EU's membership has since expanded in 2004 and 2007, with further expansions envisaged. The common face of all euro coins from the value of 10 cent and above were redesigned in 2007 to show a new map. The 1 to 5 cent coins, however, did not change, as the highlighting of the old members over the globe was so faint it was not considered worth the cost. However, new national coin designs were added in 2007 with the entry of Slovenia, in 2008 with Cyprus and Malta, in 2009 with Slovakia, in 2011 with Estonia, in 2014 with Latvia, in 2015 with Lithuania, and in 2023 with Croatia. Andorra began minting its own designs in 2014 after winning the right to do so. The coins are composed of copper-covered steel with a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, a 1.67 millimeters thickness, and a mass of 3.92 grams. Coincidentally, the dimensions, though not the mass or composition, are nearly identical to those of Canadian and United States 5-cent coins. The coin's edges are smooth. The coins have been used from 2002, though some are dated 1999, which is the year the euro was created as a currency, but not put into general circulation. The reverse was designed by Luc Lewis and displays a globe in the bottom right. The then 15 members of the EU are lightly highlighted, and the northern part of Africa and the western part of Asia, including the Middle East, are shown. 6 fine lines cut diagonally behind the globe from each side of the coin and have 12 stars at their ends, reflective of the flag of Europe. To the top left is a large number 5 followed, in smaller text, by the words Eurocent. The designer's initials, LL, appear to the right of the globe. Starting in 2017, coins from individual member states have started adjusting their common side design to a new version, identified by smaller and more rounded numeral 5 and longer lines outside of the stars at the coin circumference. The obverse side of the coin depends on the issuing country. All have to include 12 stars, in most cases arranged in a circle around the edge, the engraver's initials, and the year of issue. New designs also have to include the name or initials of the issuing country. The side cannot repeat the denomination of the coin unless the issuing country uses an alphabet other than Latin. Currently, Greece and Cyprus are the only such countries. Hence, Greece engraves 5 lambda epsilon pi tau alpha, 5 lepta, on its coins. Thank you for watching today's video, and interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Old Coin Z Collection.